Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. We unpack again, asiqali indaba kaShifiwa Maumela. Manje sebevele basuspendwa-ke i-suspension Nomonde Mngqibisa Thusi. Basuspendwalani uShifiwa Maumela, these two judges, i-Judicial Service Commission itshele our president uCyril ukuthi buti please sicela usincede ubasuspendele abantu bobawu-2 on accounts ezikanjena kanje. I'm not gonna get into that kakhulu, but mina angithi you know what I'm fighting for. Mina you know what has been going on around Senzo Meyiwa's case. Thina nje sifuna justice for Senzo Meyiwa, guys. It's not even because he was a star. Wonke umuntu udeserve justice. Ngeke uzukwazi ukuhlala for 9 years ungayitholi justice, guys. It's impossible. I mean, which is like, so these two judges, they've been dubbed ukuthi slow coaches. They've dragged this thing. What has been the problem ne? Lento iqala kuthiwa uMaumela uyagula, right? About 2 weeks ago, and then the case is postponed to the 17th of July because he is sick. We left it there, Sati, no. But and then they came up with the story, so there's a chance he won't be our judge again on Senzo Meyiwa's case, ne? So Nomonde Mngqibisa Thusi, I'm not gonna say much about her because angithi bese uChief Maumela ubese kuyena ophambili judging for our case. So I feel ukuthi the judgment has taken longer. Unganyezi guys. Ngeke guys, it's impossible. It's impossible. Tina, we are fighting for the justice for Senzo. It's impossible. Because we are about to it started long. And abantu some legal team was just saying ukuthi, and they were talking to journalists saying ukuthi, and you know ukuthi, if there's a new judge, we're gonna start all over. Guys, already there's been abantu testify. I can't remember. You remember I said on other videos that said I can't remember. 9 years, I don't remember. Abantu abafuna ukusitshela iqiniso ukuthi ubani owabulala uSenzo Meyiwa. You understand? We've been fighting for this now for how long? It's been a fight after years and years. It's 9 years in October, to be exact, dragging this case. And then Tshifiwa is because Maumela, Judge Tshifiwa Maumela, slow coaching. Why did they take so long? So now we have a new judge. We're gonna have a new judge on the 17th of July, which is also unfair on Senzo Meyiwa's sister, who came from Devon. Remember, I said in another Dokuzan. If you've been following my story, I said she came from Devon. They came here. They were not told though. People were told on Sunday. The Kumalos were told. Is that fair, guys? It's in a fair, brother. You understand that? I mean, we come from KZN, Sizo Zela in Tesmayazila, in Pretoria, and be sitting there in the cold. Why were we not told if the Kumalos knew? Goba Uzandile didn't come. She was supposed to certify on that Monday. She never came. Is it fair? You understand that on the Kumalos for the past 9 years. And Senzo Osapila, guys. The pain she's been through, the mamalo. And Funa no good guys. Like it's the whole thing, Uti. I know how you feel. How do you know how they feel? Go by you haven't been through that. How would you know? I know exactly how you feel. No, guys, we can't go on like that. Mama abantu ipena izwile. Usiska Senzo was literally crying last month. I showed her. Crying outside Pretoria court. Uguti, why were we not told? Uguti, and case has been postponed to the 17th of July. Is it fair, guys? Like in Jelen and Bella, guys, or in the comments. This is so unfair on the Meyiwas. The Meyiwas need judgment. They need closure. They need closure, guys. It's so unfair. I'm getting all worked up, Gali case. But the whole nation, the whole state is like, Aibo. It needs to stop. Someone just said there's a story, so we're waiting for a new judge. And then the judge is going to have to start all over. It's going to be chaotic. So guys. There's going to be chaos. Yeah, we don't deserve this. Tina always saying justice for Senzo Meyiwa. Period. So these two Judicial Service Commission, it's a suspend. But suspend the about two. But slow. The case. It's been going for years. We are tired. Yeah. As soon as we get coach. Can we concentrate on Senzo Meyiwa? Thank you guys for watching my channel, and your support on this case has been amazing. I really, really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you.